Welcome to a home that exudes love and care and is nestled on a picturesque Glenview tree-lined street. Hi, I'm Vittoria Logli with App Properties Christie's International. Join me today for a home tour of 3062 Lindenwood Lane in Glenview. As you step inside, you'll notice this flexible floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I reveal my favorite feature. The formal living room sets the stage for cozy conversations and moments of tranquility with this stunning stacked stone fireplace, and then it opens right up into the family room and the kitchen. Radiating an open and airy atmosphere, bathed in natural light, this space becomes the heart of the home. This is absolutely a huge room, has beautiful hardwood flooring and access to the patio. The bright eat-in kitchen is a cook's dream, boasting stainless steel appliances, a center island, a hood that actually vents out, and this beautiful, lovely window box that overlooks the backyard. And check out this large pantry, perfect for storing snacks. This kitchen is light and bright and has a great open, airy feel, and even has a spot for a kitchen table. And you can access the well-appointed dining room right from the kitchen. This is a perfect spot to host gatherings and dinner parties. And as we come up the stairs to the second level, you'll notice that the light and bright, airy feel continues on the second level. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful and quiet retreat, complete with a full bath and a huge walk-in closet. The second level is complete with a hall bath, 3 expansive bedrooms, all with new carpeting, as well as a large linen closet. And the huge basement is another great space for entertaining with a full bar and a full bathroom. The fenced-in backyard is the perfect spot to unwind and host family and friends for summer barbecues. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. My personal favorite feature of this home is the stunning marble stacked stone fireplace. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more amazing North Shore home tours. Don't miss a chance to make this beautifully updated, lovingly maintained home your own. Contact me today to schedule a private tour.